First-time visitors to the northern region, especially from Accra, will be struck by the number of motorbikes on the streets here. Here, men, women, and even children ride to and fro in admirable fashion. Indeed, motorbikes far outnumber cars.
Every household, there is a motorcycle. Every household, you see a motorcycle. So that the motorcycle has become the simplest medium of transportation for everybody.
In 2020, for example, while the Driver Vehicle and Licensing Authority registered 7,500 motorbikes, only 829 vehicles were registered in the entire year. The trend appears to be no different this year.
Early May, but we have registered 3,172 motorbikes so far against 593 cars.
Ironically, statistics from the police MTTD suggest only 20 lives have been lost through motorcycle-related accidents in the region from January to June this year. In the Greater Accra region, however, 102 motorbikers have died in just 6 months, with 105 dying in the Eastern region and 86 in the Ashanti region. The National Road Safety Authority boss here, Alexander Ayata, explains why the fatalities are that low.
In the southern part, I think they basically concentrate on passenger. But here, we concentrate much on the usage of the motor. And again, I will add this. When you get to traffic lights, it will surprise you. I've been to Accra, people don't, when it is red, they're riding. But here, they will stop. Just a few, one or two will make a move. But the fact that we are able to speak to them and we give them, at times, for some time back, we need to show them films, how people dropped from their motors and broke their heads.
It is very true, especially in Accra, where they ignore the traffic light and so get crushed, fall off their motorbikes and die on the spot. And for those who die, most of them wear no helmet. But in Tamale, some places are designated no-go zones without helmets, and Mr. Ayata reviews.
Catholic Church, no helmet, no entry. You were there, you saw it. Not only the church, but any institution belonging to the church. We want to even extend it to other areas.
So how seriously riders pay attention to their safety shows in how few of them are getting injured when they are crushed compared with riders in Accra, Eastern and Ashanti. In just 6 months, while 47 motorcycle injuries have been recorded in the northern region, in the Greater Accra and Eastern regions, 600 and 285 people have been injured respectively. In the Ashanti region, 86 injuries so far. At the Tamale Teaching Hospital, there are patients who testify, but for their helmet, they would have been dead long ago.
A child was about to cross the road. I just saw the child like in a meter, a distance of a meter. So in trying to save the child, I swerved and I went off. I felt with my forehead, but because of the helmet, my teeth hit the ground. So my teeth is actually also affected. But because of the helmet, I was able to save my head.
At various intersections here in Tamale, it is amazing how almost all riders, with the exception of a few, respect the traffic light. For them, red really means stop.
Because of the education that the MTTU and the National Road Safety Commission are giving to the citizens or the people of Tamale, they go to realize the danger in certain, like when a traffic light show red and you pass, the danger in it. It's better you hold on. When it show green, yellow, you get ready. When it show green, you start moving.
I think this is one of the ways we can do that, by obeying the traffic rules. So I think that's the rationale behind that. Okay. We are putting our own conscious effort in order to make sure that the risk of traffic accidents reduce on our part. The government has their part, and we the citizens also have their part. So we need to all come together and then make sure that we fight against this canker in our nation.
Well, if you don't stop, there is other traffic light that shows green. So definitely, if you don't stop and that one is green, people are moving. So once you move, you collide with the others.
So if you are a rider listening or watching, just remember, Respecting the red light means you cherish your life. My name is Seth Kwame Boatin.